Creating a welcoming home takes a combination of style and tidiness. It's important to be organized because clutter has a way of spoiling decor and making a room feel drab. We use so many organizers in our kitchen to organize, but same type of organizer can be used to organize other parts of our home. So in this video we will do that only. We will use the organizer that we usually use in the kitchen in other parts of our home. So without any further delay, let's start. So very first organizer is a very common organizer, that is under cabinet shelf. We usually use this shelf in our kitchen cabinets to organize crockeries, towels, extra pantry items, spices, cups, etc. to utilize the vertical space of our cabinets. Let me take few seconds to tell something about Miralink Bulbul website. It is a very friendly shopping website. You will get COD, free delivery, 5 days return policy and deal of the day with variety of products and organizer. You can place your order in WhatsApp number given on the screen. Link of Miralink is in description. If you want to install the app, that link is also given in description. But why not use them in our wardrobe? Usually we have less space in the wardrobe, so utilize that vertical space. Use it for the extra storage, for organizing kids' clothes, scarf, jewelry basket and whatnot. Use it under your TV unit to organize all remote controls. And under your study table for easy access of books and copies at the time of online classes. So many of you have asked about this organizer which I recently shown in my last video. So this is a microwave stand. We can use vertical space of the microwave. It is extendable and can be adjusted its size according to our needs. And can be fixed to any size of the microwave. With the help of this organizer, we get a lot of extra space to organize our things. In this way, we can utilize the vertical space of the microwave very efficiently. No need to bring items down while using microwave, as a proper gap will be there between the microwave and stand. My microwave have right side ventilation, so I face no problem. But if you have a ventilation above, then this organizer will be helpful for the extra vertical storage. This over the door organizer is multi-purpose. We usually use this in our kitchen to organize cleaning supplies and pantry items. But it can be very well used in wardrobe. Hang them on the rod and your extra space is ready to keep cosmetics and other products of wardrobe. Even can be used near the sink area. If you have window near sink, hang this organizer and keep your dispensers and brushes hang without taking extra space in the counters. Or keep it on the counter, it all depends on you. You all know we use this lid organizer to hold all lids, trays, chopping boards, etc. But it can be very efficiently used in our study table to keep books and copies. Even can be used in a wardrobe to organize all wallets and clutches. This organizer takes no space in the counters as it can be hanged. Everything hanged means lots of space in the countertop. Can be used to organize spices, spoons, hang towels, cups and whatnot. Or use it in a bathroom to organize all bathroom essentials. Magazine holders are generally used in offices or study room, but we can use this holder in our kitchen cabinets by using double-sided tape, and your organizer is ready to organize your things in your kitchen. So I hope these organization ideas will be helpful for you to organize not only your kitchen but your entire home. Please consider subscribing my channel. I will meet you soon with some other organization videos. Till then, bye and take care.